6 best fish for weight loss at home. 1. Wild salmon. Wild-caught salmon is a fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and is therefore regarded as one of the best fish for weight loss. You will get 175 calories from 3 ounces of salmon. It is rich in vitamin A, folate, niacin, vitamin B12, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and lean protein. In fact, scientists have found that salmon consumption helps reduce the BMI of participants by 5.6% as compared to whey protein. So, try consuming wild-caught Atlantic salmon for better results. 2. Tuna. Canned or not, tuna is good for you if you are trying to lose weight. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, EPA, and DHA. From a cup of canned tuna, you will get 179 calories and 39.3 grams of protein. Tuna is also a good source of calcium, iron, potassium, phosphorus, vitamin A, folate, niacin, and vitamin B12. Both fatty and skinny tuna are recommended for you. You can easily prepare tuna salad, sandwich, casserole, wraps, and pasta. 3. Mackerel. Mackerel is a fatty fish that is a close relative of tuna. It contains a good amount of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, EPA, DHA, vitamin B12, and selenium. All these nutrients help reduce inflammation, improve metabolic rate, and build lean muscle mass. You can have grilled or boiled mackerel, mackerel stew or curry for lunch or dinner to lose weight. 4. Herring. Like any other fatty fish, herring are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. You will get 176 calories from 3 ounces of herring fillet. They are also a good source of vitamins A, D, and B12, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and selenium. Have poached or grilled herring with veggies to balance the daily requirement. The FDA recommends consuming herring twice a week. 5. Cod. Cod liver oil is already known for its hair growth promoting, heart health improving, and inflammation reducing properties. But if you are not comfortable taking supplements, you can consume Pacific cod. You will get 70 calories from 3 ounces of cod fillet. It is a great source of vitamin A, choline, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and selenium. Have it stewed or poached to get all the nutritional benefits. 6. Hilsa. Hilsa belongs to the herring family, and you can get 310 calories from 3.5 ounces of Hilsa. Mostly savored in India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka, Hilsa is also available worldwide. It is also a very good source of vitamin C and calcium. Scientists have found that Hilsa has bad cholesterol-lowering properties. Therefore, it is safe for your heart too. You can buy Hilsa from the local supermarket and consume smoked or steamed Hilsa for the best weight loss results. The 6 fish listed above will help you in achieving your target weight. But you can include any other fish in your diet and see good results. Learn the weight loss products below the description. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.